get ahead. They come too much too fast. Honey, don't you say nothing.
Boom, what's up everybody? Got another video for you guys. And today we have the unboxing of a Rode NT USB mini microphone. I've been looking to get this microphone basically all 2020. I seen it back in March of 2020. Was looking to order it, but COVID happened and couldn't find it. Then I guess it was out of stock or limited stock or whatnot. Seen it was back available for stock, back in stock in September. And I was like, I'll just get it in Christmas time, it might be a good deal. But it was already $100 bucks even. That's why I like this microphone as well. It's $100 even. I heard it's a pretty good microphone and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I got it for Christmas. One of the things I got for Christmas unboxing. A little late because this is probably gonna go up on the 15th maybe. Well, maybe not the 18th. It might go up on the 18th. But let's get right into it. So like I said, right here we got the Rode the Rode NT USB Mini. It's powered USB to USB, well USB-C to USB-A, and I believe you can use USB-C to USB-C. So I'm gonna try that out and let you guys know further how that goes. I'm excited to use this microphone for podcasting, mainly like on the go. So I'm gonna get another microphone for stationary purposes. I have one actually. I have a microphone right here for stationary use. I just don't know what type of input it is right there. It's some type of XLR, so I'll figure that out at some point. But back to the unboxing. So we can go ahead and slide that. Ooh, I know I opened this kind of raggedy, you know. Let's see though. Oh, that ain't it. Oh, there we go. Boom. Little paperwork, nothing too crazy. Let's get to the microphone. Ooh, I can't wait. Ah. All right, well, first things first, this has a nice amount of heft to it. I was thinking that the microphone was like all around, but you really want to speak into it like straightforward right here, or right here. Well made, it's very well made. I like the metal, the feel of it. Doesn't feel too plasticky. Right here you got your volume. Let's try to turn that, hold on. Okay. And then USB-C type, USB-C right there. That's how you power that thing, and then the volume right there. So boom, let's see what else it comes with. Let's check this whole thing out. Golly, hold on guys. I'm gonna do a big rip. 1, 2. There we go. Now I wanna come out. Okay, comes with a Rode branded USB-C to A microphone. Got a little extra screw in there. I'm guessing that's for the stand it comes with. Rode branded. Boom. Let's go ahead and get that stand out. Alright, boom, boom. Alright, here goes the Rode NT USB Mini microphone. Obviously there's a bigger version. The stand goes on pretty easy. So as you can see, it has like this little indentation, and then inside of this it has an indentation as well. You just kind of, oh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, that's dope. So boom, that's the microphone, guys. Let me go ahead and clean up the area. Whatnot, let me put all this to the side. Get over here. This is pretty clean. Well, there you go, guys. The Rode NTB microphone. I'm gonna do a little cinematic. Let me zoom in on it. There we go. Oh, we're gonna use that We're gonna use that gimbal. Hey. Yeah, so there it go. The Rode NTB microphone looks pretty cool. We're gonna get some content going with it. Oh, the microphone, I guess it's okay. Let me see. This is all around a magnet. That's funny. Can rotate it a little bit like that if need be. So that's the video, guys, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Next video is gonna be something. We're gonna get something going for you guys. Peace.